Hi everyone, welcome to Informatica Support videos. This is Haripriya from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see the new update for the Oracle Connector in April 2025 major release. The changes for the Oracle Connector is the JDBC driver upgrade. That is, we are upgrading the base driver from 1165 to 1408, the EBF driver from 0840 to 1165, and the latest from 1408 to 1506. That is, the driver which is available in the latest will be moved to the base, and the driver that is available in the base will be moved to the EBF. So, if we want to use the latest driver for the Oracle Connector, we can update the latest JDBC driver in the secure agent configuration. Let me show you how to add the latest driver for the JDBC Oracle Connector in the agent. So this is the runtime environment where I am going to update the latest Oracle JDBC driver. So I have to just click on edit. In the system configuration details, we have to choose a service as data integration, and when we come to the end, we will find the custom configuration details. So here I have to add one more field as mentioned here. The service should be data integration, type should be Tomcat, and the name should be Oracle JDBC driver jar name, and this should be pointed to the latest. Once making the changes, we have to just click on save. Once we save the changes, the new version of data integration service will spin up, and we can run the mapping and see whether the latest jar has been picked. We would like to hear from you on the feedback of the video. You can write and mail to the supportvideos@informatica.com. If you have any technical issues, please raise a support ticket. Thank you.